Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting with the essentials. Identify whether your controller is wired or wireless, and make sure fresh batteries or a charged pack are installed. Once done, plug the controller or the official Xbox 360 wireless receiver into a rear USB port. This reduces power and recognition issues. Make sure Windows has time to detect new hardware. You'll see a device install notification. If nothing appears within a minute, try a different USB port and keep the controller off while you plug the receiver in. Next, focus on drivers and pairing. Open Device Manager to confirm the Xbox 360 controller or receiver is listed. If not, run Windows Update to pull the Microsoft driver. Once the receiver is ready, press its sync button, then press and hold the controller's sync button until the ring flashes rapidly. This initiates pairing. Windows will then install or finish drivers. Wait for the notification that the device is ready. If installation stalls, cancel and retry the sync sequence after unplugging and reinserting the receiver. Finish by verifying functionality. Open Devices and Printers, right-click the controller and choose Game Controller Settings to test buttons and sticks. Once confirmed, run calibration to align axes and center dead zones. Save those settings. This fixes drift and erratic inputs. If games don't detect the controller, make sure it's set as the preferred game device and restart the PC. Troubleshooting tip. If connectivity problems persist, update or reinstall the Xbox 360 drivers. Try a different USB port or swap batteries and repair the controller.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.